Hello students, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar, Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Semester 6. Dear students, today we have to study draw a single line diagram of 33 kV gas insulated substation. This is the practical number 8 and this is the last practical of electrical substation practices. So we have to see the single line diagram representation of that gas insulated substation. This is the image of single line diagram representation of gas insulated substation as the bus bar. Then near to the bus bar one isolatory device is the connected. Then earthing switch, lightning arrestor. Near to that the earthing switch may be the connected. Then transformer, CT, PT, and then last is device which connected to the earth. So this is the single line diagram representation of gas insulated substation. Next we have to see what is the gas insulated substation. The gas insulated substation is the high voltage substation in which the major conducting structures are contained within a sealed environment with the dielectric gas. This gas is known as SF6. SF6 is nothing but sulfur hexafluoride gas and insulating medium as the gas in gas insulated substation. In comparison and conventional of air insulated substation, then atmospheric air in the dielectric gas medium, and these are the types of this substation are almost always located at outdoor substation. So gas insulated substation always located as the outdoor substation. Then overview of the gas insulated substation as the origin of the gas insulated technology that is used by the Japan, where there is the critical need of the development substation, then reduce the footprint. So these are the things of the gas insulated substation. Next we have to see which are the essential parts of the gas insulated substation. Here the list of the essential parts of the gas insulated substation are the given. Gas supply and the gas monitoring equipment, then cable and the cable boxes, bus bar, CT and PT, earthing switches, disconnecting switches, circuit breaker, then local control. So these are the different types of the parts which are used in the gas insulated substation. Then we have to see the assembly of the gas insulated substation. Here all these equipment are made from the metal enclosed. Then SF6 gas filled with the module. Then these modules are the assembly and according to the required configuration. Then assembly and the fitting of the different parts. The various live parts listed above are enclosed inside the enclosure. Then parts are the support in the insulator like disc insulator or the post insulator are the required. The whole insulation is filled with the SF6 as sulfur hexafluoride gas. The gas is at the pressure of 3 kgA per centimeter square. The gas insulated substation are in the operation in the foreign countries like Japan, USA, Europe, Middle East countries also. Now we have to see the location of the gas insulated substation. Gas insulated substation is located in the industrial complex, then large town, valley, underground area, seashore, lake, desert area, HVDC terminal station, then compensating substation. So these are the location of the gas insulated substation. Now we have to see which are the merits and demerits of the gas insulated substation. Here the space required as the 1/10 of the conventional substation may be required, as the less space are the required for the gas insulated substation. Then safety, gas insulated substation is very safe. The operating and the protection by the earth metal enclosure. Then economical condition has the high flexibility and the applicable, versatile, provide the overall economic concept. Its weight is very less, light in weight because of the aluminum enclosure are the use. Then foundation cost, lower foundation cost is the lower, small space are the required. Time of the erection very less, time of the erection may be the required. As assemble the parts, no pollution. Dielectric strength of the SF6 gas is the 3 times of the air dielectric strength. So these are the different types of the advantages of gas insulated substation. Just like less space are the required, it is very safety as compared to the conventional substation. Then economically it is the high flexibility, applicable and versatile. Weight is also less. Foundation cost is the low because the no civilization work may be the required. Time of erection is very less as assemble the parts. No pollution developed with the help of gas insulated substation. Then dielectric strength of the SF6 is 3 times the air insulated strength. Now some disadvantages of the gas insulated substation is there. The cost is comparatively high. Then internal fault causes the excessive damage. Then repairing is not easy. Then indoor installation require the separate building. So these are some disadvantages of gas insulated substation also. So we have to know the advantages and disadvantages of gas insulated substation. I repeat again the location of the gas insulated substation where it is the located. It is located in industrial complex, large town valley, underground, then desert area, HVDC terminal station, compensating substation. So these are the location of gas insulated substation. And which material are the required? So SF6 are the main parts and the main gas are the used in the gas insulated substation. Main component of the gas insulated as the gas supply and the gas monitoring equipment, cable and the cable boxes, bus bar, current transformer and potential transformer, earthing switches, disconnecting switches, circuit breaker, local control and densimeters. So these all things are the required. Densimeter are used for the measurement of density. So gas insulated substation are required as the SF6 is the gas as the sulfur hexafluoride gas as the insulating medium. This is the single line diagram representation as the bus bar are connected from the incoming, then lightning arrestor, current transformer, potential transformer, earthing switch is there, and then these are directly connected to the main points of the source. Okay. Thank you students.